All right, once you get the AC in, then the next part is you got to get this separate kit. So make sure you get this kit. And make sure that if you get a ducted or a non-ducted, make sure you get the kit that corresponds to the chill cube. We're doing a ducted one, and this kit comes with just about everything you need to put it together. I'll pull it out and show you real quick. That right here is the control board, basically the brains of the unit. It's going to run the AC. And this part is the ducted part, so it's going to push the airflow through your ducts. And you just simply connect all of these components that are right here. Just match the colors, you should be good to go. And just gonna do this install real quick. All right, the installation from the mount on top to in here probably took just under a couple hours. Super easy, super intuitive. You just match the cables. They make it really, really easy, especially if you buy this kit and you're not trying to retrofit anything, which I'd highly recommend. Let me go over this really quick. You have all your levers here. You got your power, you got your gear switching, which this is a variable speed, so you can dial that in. You have different modes here. Now on this one, I just kind of leave it on auto and then it switches automatically. But you have auto where it can go cool, dry, which is awesome for this climate. You can have a dehumidifier, fan only, and then heat. This one does not come with the heat module. We could add that later, but I haven't seen it, so I don't even know if they have it or plans to add. But obviously your plus minus, fan, sleep, and turbo, right? So you're gonna use turbo when you come in and it hasn't been on for a while. You gotta really kick it on and drop the temps quick. But sleep, let me show you this. When you put on sleep, it just goes really quiet. It goes a lot quieter. You can open this up and it just dumps. You can kind of hear that, but it is really, really, really quiet. Oh, that's really cold. It's probably about close to 90 outside, and in here it's keeping it really comfortable. The other thing you're gonna have is it comes with a remote control, which is awesome, so you don't have to press those buttons. You can if you want to, but you have these remote controls which just turn it on and off, setting the temperature, same thing, turbo, all the controls just down here at your fingertip. Follow me feature, that's probably for the non-ducted one. The one I got is ducted, so it blows out of these ducts. Overall, completely satisfied with the Furrion Chill Cube. I was doing a lot of research and we opted to go with this one for one, ease of install, two, didn't have to tie into the existing thermostat because we had some short wires and it's all remote control, so don't have to worry about the existing thermostat. That was a big plus for us. And the variable speed, so I was putting it on a 30 amp trailer, which will run 750 to 1500 depending on the speed. And so if you have other things, the chances of you hitting max load, like if you have a microwave on, if you have the AC on, if you have other things that are running with the variable speed, it's not gonna be constantly hitting max power. So last thing, if you're gonna get a Furrion AC unit, make sure you get the one that is ducted or non-ducted depending on your needs, but it's nothing but awesome. It's blowing cold, what else can you expect? Highly recommend it for sure.